Guys, well, here we go. So we're in Photoshop CC 2017, and trust me, this is a very easy and quick process. Okay, now I got this image online. It's free for commercial reuse, and it's not that big. If we go to image and image size, you can see this is a 300 by 200 pixel photograph. So it's quite small. Okay, it is 300 dpi. That definitely helps, but it's very small. Okay. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up to image. We're going to go to image size once again. What we're going to do is we're going to go into our width here, and we're going to change that to percentage. Okay, and once we have that, we're going to go from 100% to, let's say, 1000%. Make that 10 times bigger. Now you can see that it's quite grainy here, and when we use the resample method, you have either the automatic method right here, but we're going to go for a preserve detail enlargement like this, and then you have the slider to increase, well, not increase, but to decrease the noise that you find in the image. Okay, now you don't definitely want to go to 100%. Let's go to maybe 60-ish, and we're going to hit OK. All right. Now, if we zoom this out a little bit, you can see that this doesn't look too bad. Now keep in mind that, like I said, we're taking an extremely small picture and we're blowing it up quite a bit, okay? So what I'll do is I'll put these two next to each other in the original size so you can see the difference. And it's up to you to, say whether you find this an acceptable enlargement or not, okay? So here we go. Right guys, well, this is in the perspective the way you should look at it. On the right we have the original size, 300 by 200 pixels, and on the left you have it after enlarged 10 times over. Okay. Now, of course, if you're going to go in and zoom in, all the way to grain level, you will see everything. But I think this is a very acceptable enlargement, and I think that upscaling method that is built into Photoshop works quite well.